Notepad Goes Tabbed. Introducing the latest enhancements. I'm Huey Poplock. Microsoft has released a new version of the Windows Notepad with a new tabbed interface, allowing you to open multiple text files within one window. With the new tabbed interface, Microsoft has made Notepad a powerful tool that includes almost everything a regular user would need from a text editor. Notepad looks like this, with the title bar at the top and then a menu bar, the text area, and then at the bottom is the status bar. Now, we're going to compare the old menus with the new menus of Notepad. Here is the old one. You can see because of the tab, there is some additional items in the File menu. Now let's look at the Edit menu. Again, we see some differences. The main difference is at the bottom is the font. The font formerly was on the Format, and now it's on the Edit, and there is no more format choice. This is what the format had, was word wrap and font. Now we've already seen the font, but now if we go to the view, we'll see they've added the word wrap to that menu to eliminate one of the menu items. Also, the Help menu is no longer there. It is now part of the settings, and the Help is at the bottom. You have some additional settings that you can do right from the settings gear. If you want to open Notepad, you can do it from the search button at the bottom, or you can use your Start menu. Or if you prefer, you can actually add it to your taskbar like I have right here at the bottom. With one click can open up Notepad. Microsoft Notepad is a simple text editor software that comes pre-installed with all versions of Microsoft Windows. It's a basic tool used for creating and editing text files, such as configuration files, HTML code, plain text documents. Notepad is an easy-to-use program that does not require any special skills or training to operate, making it a popular choice for beginners. The Microsoft Notepad is a simple text editor that comes pre-installed on Windows operating systems. It allows users to create and edit plain text files, including notes, code snippets, and other text-based content. Notepad is lightweight and is fast, making it a useful tool for quick note-taking and editing. Some of the basic features of Notepad include the ability to change the font and the font size, search for and replace text, and view and edit text files in different formats, including Unicode, UTF-8, and ANSI. Notepad also supports line and column numbering, as well as word wrap, which automatically wraps long lines of text so that they fit within the window. While Notepad is a very basic text editor and lacks many of the advanced features found in more powerful text editors, its simplicity makes it a popular choice for many users who need to quickly create and edit plain text files without the need for more advanced functionality. So let's use Notepad. I have a website that I wish to copy some of the information that's there, but I don't need a lot of the extras. I don't need the links and so on. So let's just highlight what I want to grab, and we'll come down to right here, and I'm going to then copy it, and then we're going to open up a file that we already have in Notepad. We're going to date stamp it, so we're going to put the time and the date, which is right now. Then I'm going to move down a couple of lines. Now I'm going to say paste it. And there is everything from that article that I highlighted stripped of all of its formatting. And there are times you want to do that. This was one. This is how I use it most of the time. Then you can go back in and you can edit some things out of here that you don't need, that were headlines or possibly a caption under a picture that you didn't want. Here's something we don't need again, and all of this. And then there was a bio of the article's author. And I can Save it. What I can also do with this new version is I can have a tab. And so I can put something else in here and say reminders. And then I can add to this later and so on. So I can now save that. And it saved it to reminders.txt. And it's telling me where it's going to go. I'm going to say, okay, reminders right there. And it saved it. Now, the other thing that I can do with the tabbed items is I can actually drag it off, and it's now a separate file. So I can move it to my other screen. I can close the first one down and leave this open, whatever I want to do. And if I should want to return it to the tab, I can just move it here and it becomes a tab again. Notepad has been updated with a Windows 11 style design and dark mode support. It now supports tabs so you can view multiple notes in a single window. The new Notepad includes several standard rich editing enhancements such as Alt and X for re-entering Unicode characters, Control plus the right bracket for toggling between matching brackets and parentheses, multi-level undo, which is a great advancement, drag and drop, color emoji, and auto URL detection. This has been Notepad Goes Tabbed, introducing the latest enhancements. I'm Huey Poplock.